Hello everyone! In one of my previous tutorial video on how to solve a 3x3 puzzle cube using only two algorithms, I've missed out one case in step 6 where we solved the top 4 corners of our puzzle cube. So this short tutorial video is an addition to that video to complete the full tutorial. If you have not watched that video, and if you are interested to learn how to solve a 3x3 puzzle cube by just using two simple algorithms, you can click on the link to that tutorial on the top of this video or in the description below. So before we start this tutorial, let's do a quick recap of the two algorithms. Let's start with the right algorithm. It goes like this: left, up, right, down. And the second algorithm is the left algorithm. Right, up, left, down. In step 6 of that tutorial video, you may encounter a case like this where your top 4 corner pieces are correct and the top middle edges are all wrong. So instead of doing the up 2, down 3, up 1, down move, do the 5-5-1-1 move straight away. You can face the puzzle cube in any directions and start doing the algorithm. Here's how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. Once you have completed the 5-5-1-1 move, you should have one side of your puzzle cube with the correct corner and edge pieces on the top layer, like so. Then you continue to the next step to solve the puzzle cube, where you will face the completed top layer towards you and do the 5-5-1-1 move again. With that, we have solved our puzzle cube. So this completes my tutorial on how to solve a 3x3 puzzle cube using only two algorithms. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.